Today we are going to discuss about digest emails in Odoo, that is sending periodic status mails from Odoo ERP automatically. So we'll be discussing about how to create digest emails in Odoo and configuration of the frequency of emails, that is in what frequency the emails need to be sent and their content. So for that we need to go to the settings. So when you search for digest email, you can find it under the general settings, and you can see add new users as recipient of a periodic email with key metrics. So new users are automatically added as a recipient of the following digest email. So here there is a digest email that is weekly stats in Odoo, which is a default one, and when you go to the external link, you can see some fields for configuring that digest email. So I'm not changing the current one, I am going to configure a new one. For that we can see a link, configure digest emails. So if I click this, I can configure a new one. Here you can see the default one, weekly stats in Odoo, and by clicking in create button, I can create a new digest email. For that, first of all, we have to give a name for this digest email. Then periodicity, that is in what frequency the mail need to be sent. So it is a monthly digest, so I am just choosing monthly. So in every month the mail will be delivered, and then next field is next send date. So that is at which date it will be sent next. Then under KPIs you can see many fields, that is general, point of sale, project, recruitment, help desk, CRM, invoicing, sales. So it contains some general reporting information you like to include. Under general you can see connected users and messages. It shows connected users and conversation they had with Odoo, and it contains program for tracking, department communications and all. Then under help desk you can see it shows a summary of the tickets closed. That is given a precise summary of the tickets that has been closed. If you tick this one, you can see that it will be given, this information will be provided. Okay, then project, that is it shows an overview of tasks and their stages to track process. That also can be seen when open task is checked. Then point of sale, that is POS, sales will be shown. Then under recruitment you can see employees. Then in case of customer relationship management, it summarizes the leads or opportunities and which opportunities have been marked as won. So if you tick this one, you can see that information too. Then under invoicing you can see revenue and bank and cash moves. So it shows entries of revenue handled for that period and the cash flow of company if you choose this one, these options. Then under sales you can see all sales and eCommerce sales. So if you tick according to that, information will be provided. That is, it generates a sales report for that period. And so these are the details. Then okay, you can see one more tab, that is recipients. Here you can add your recipients and their email ID. So if I click this add a line, I can add the recipients. So his email ID is also added. Then above you can see some buttons, that is subscribe, deactivate for everyone and send now. So by clicking, okay, I'm saving it, after that I will subscribe it. So by clicking subscribe, what happens is that this person can subscribe to receive these emails, this mailing. and when unsubscribe me is chosen, this person will be unsubscribed for receiving these digest emails. So you can notice something like in the case of recipients, as the Michelle admin have subscribed this digest email, monthly digest, he also is added to this recipients list. Michelle admin email ID also you can see. And you can see the status be converted to activated. So it is activated. By clicking this unsubscribe, again he will be deactivated. The status will be changed to deactivated. And if this button deactivate for everyone is clicked, then it will disable the template for all users. So everyone will be disabled to receive emails from this monthly digest. Then while you click the send now button, then send relevant data to subscribed users. So this is how we configure the digest, create the digest emails and configure it. Then if you go back to settings, you can see one more option came under the digest email, that is a monthly digest. And you can change the digest email as a template to monthly digest for this settings, and you can save this. So this is how we create digest emails and send periodic status mails from Odoo ERP automatically.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.